There can be ups and downs in an economy, and these affect the earning and investment levels of the nation. In times of economic uncertainty, finding ways to make money can be a challenge. But with the right strategies, you can thrive even during a recession. In this video, we will explore some of the proven methods to help you generate income and secure your financial stability. First on the list is freelancing and consulting. During a recession, freelancing and consulting can be a lucrative way to make money by capitalizing on your skills and expertise. By offering specialized services to businesses and individuals, you can provide cost-effective solutions and meet the specific needs of clients. Building a strong online presence, networking, and delivering exceptional value are keys to attracting clients and generating income during challenging economic times. With determination and adaptability, freelancing and consulting can offer opportunities to navigate the recession successfully and sustain your financial stability. So take the leap, embrace the exhilarating world of freelancing and consulting, and witness firsthand how your skills can transcend mere recession, propelling you towards unrivaled success and financial abundance. Second on the list is online selling and e-commerce. Online selling and e-commerce can be a profitable avenue to make money. Utilize platforms such as e-commerce websites, online marketplaces, or social media platforms to sell products or services. Identify high demand or niche products that can meet the changing needs and budget constraints of customers during a recession. Focus on effective marketing strategies, including targeted advertising, search engine optimization, and social media engagement to drive traffic to your online store and increase sales. Maintain competitive pricing, provide exceptional customer service, and leverage customer reviews to build trust and loyalty. Start an online store or sell products on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. By adapting to the online marketplace and capitalizing on the convenience and accessibility it offers, you can generate income and thrive even during a recession. Number 3 is investing and trading. Investing and trading can provide opportunities that make money, although they do come with inherent risks. Engage in thorough research and analysis to identify undervalued assets such as stocks, bonds, or real estate that have potential for growth once the economy recovers. Consider long-term investment strategies that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Additionally, trading in financial markets such as stocks, currencies, or commodities can offer short-term profit opportunities, but it requires knowledge, experience, and careful risk management. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and company news to make informed trading decisions. Remember to consult with a financial advisor and consider your individual circumstances before making any investment or trading decisions. Fourth on the list is personal services. In the midst of economic uncertainty, a world of opportunity awaits those with a knack for personal services. Imagine stepping into the lives of busy individuals, lifting their burdens, and bringing a touch of magic to their daily routines. As a provider of house cleaning, pet sitting, gardening, organizing, or tutoring services, you can become the guardian angel they've been longing for. From transforming cluttered spaces into havens of tranquility to nurturing lush gardens that breathe life into weary souls, your touch creates a sense of renewal. Through local advertisements that capture attention online, platforms that reach far and wide, and the power of word-of-mouth referrals, you'll find yourself inundated with eager clients seeking the magic only you can provide. Your services become more than just a solution. They become a lifeline, offering cost-effective alternatives and providing invaluable support to those facing time constraints or seeking respite in challenging times. Number 5 is the gig economy. Joining the gig economy by offering services such as ride-sharing with platforms like Uber or Lyft, or food delivery with companies like DoorDash or Grubhub can be a valuable way to make money. These platforms provide flexible work opportunities that allow you to set your own schedule and earn income based on the services you provide. So sign up as a driver or delivery partner, meet the platform requirements, and start accepting gigs. Be responsive, provide excellent customer service, and leverage positive ratings and reviews to attract more customers. Keep in mind that demand may fluctuate during a recession, so staying updated on peak hours or high demand areas can help maximize your earning potential in the gig economy. What are some other ways you're earning extra cash during this recession? Let us know in the comments below.